Guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the comparison of the DM drive versus the dual drive Lux. And the dual drive Lux which I have is in dark edition. I have already done videos on both of these, and I thought of doing a comparison like of a speed test and all, but then again DM doesn't allow me to. And is if you can see, both the build quality of both the pen drives are quite good, except the fact that the dual drive Lux is a portable one and the DM is a very big pen drive. So in my honest opinion guys, I'd recommend the dual drive Lux, and definitely this is one of the best pen drive I'd been using, and since it is matching my MacBook Pro. And if you see over here, the DM is also quite good, and even the speed test I was checking guys, it is fabulous. And as you can see how tiny is the dual drive Lux, so if portability is your highest priority, definitely go for dual drive Lux. And I think the prices in 2026 have changed drastically, so the dual drive Lux is costing for 128 GB around 2000 something. So check out the link in the description to get the exact figure. And definitely this pen drive sometimes can be out of stock because everyone was buying it, and it was very cheap guys. So price is a factor, then go for the DM. But any days, if you want a better service, go for the dual drive Lux, because there is nothing compared to the service of the SanDisk pen drives guys. Even previously Strontium and SanDisk, they give excellent service in my opinion, so stick with this too. And the DM is a very, what I can say, is a mixed case in my case, because I was not able to do the speed test. And you know, the read speed of the dual drive Lux is around 360 Mbps on a given day, and the write speed is around 100 Mbps or less. And in comparison, I'm expecting it to be almost the same speed. So in my frank opinion, just buy the dual drive Lux guys. I'll just make it that simple. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out all these other videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the pen drive, the DM versus the dual drive Lux. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.